Guys, welcome back. We've got a fun one today. We've got the BC Racing coilovers going onto the Audi. Here's the back. So we should be able to get it just a little bit lower. Is officially done, so it's not super low at the moment. It's sitting definitely lower than before. It looks good, but the new wheels need to go on first, then we can drop it down and get the fitment just perfect. But for now, alright, the car is finished. I wasn't able to film putting the car back together because that's what I did yesterday and it got dark and obviously I couldn't film. Alright guys, we're about to pull onto the highway. Alright, here it is. Damn! It pulls hard now. Alright guys, there it is. This is the colour. So this is, I think this is called True Blood, and it's by Tech Wrap. So, well, I guess here goes nothing. Time to install. What's up guys, it is a new day. I had spent all of yesterday afternoon on the front bumper. It was a complete fail. So I broke out the bumper stand and brought the bar inside and worked on it until about 1:30 in the morning. And then I got up this morning and worked on it a bit more. It is, the front guards and the bonnet were pretty easy. This has been extremely difficult. This is not going to win any awards, but I mean, from here it looks really good, but up close there are a lot of imperfections, and these are things that might have already been on the bar, maybe some stuff that got underneath the wrap. So I've got to keep going with it, trim all this out. going on, guys? It is a beautiful day to go dual pulley on the S4. This is one of the main things that I've been the most keen to do. We've got the heat exchanger, we've got the dual pulley, all from Integrated Engineering. The heat exchangers from PLM, private label, and dual pulleys from Integrated Engineering. So get the gets out of here and we'll bring the beast out. Can't even see it. Alright, first thing we have to do is get the car into service position. To be honest, I actually quite like the big cooler in silver. A bit hard to see. I mean, you can clearly see it, but in the same detail as you can see it in real life. It looks aftermarket. It just looks like, if you look at it like that, you're like, that car's had some work done to it. Alright guys, welcome to dual pulley. Pretty much the rear's done, man. So much easier than the front. Jeez. That was close. That's the other side done. So I nipped all these up yesterday. So the car is ready to go. Alright guys, welcome to the first drive. I'm not sure how much of this is going to come through video, so I guess I'll just tell you my initial thoughts. Like I said before, the factory brakes were just soft, so you know, slow speeds like this is fine, but when you start building up speed, different story. So you know, just on the speed limit, if I just touch the brakes, they just feel just the same as before. They don't feel nothing too crazy. I actually thought the pedal would feel a lot harder than before, but it doesn't. It still feels pretty much the same. I mean, obviously the brakes are a lot better, but I'm just saying, I'm just letting you know how they feel. Oh yeah. Just stepped on him there. Definitely a lot better. That is good. Those brakes stop on a dime. If you have any questions about the brakes, or if there's anything else you want to see, any other videos you want to see on this car, drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next one.